Welcome to United Power, manufacturer and exporter of electrical products, conduit pipes and accessories. The company was established in the year 2001. As a client-centric organization, we ensure reliability by undertaking stringent quality tests. Timeliness, competitive prices, customized products, and international quality standards are some of the plus points of our organization. Durability, resistance to heat, crush resistance, and NSIC certification are some of the quality parameters on which we test our products. Our infrastructure is equipped with advanced machinery, safe packaging, spacious warehousing unit, and testing facilities. Lathe, cutting, grinder, and welding machines are some of our manufacturing machines. We offer a wide array of cable termination ends, connectors, cable gland kits, earthing material, lightning protection, and control panels at industry-leading prices. Along with that, we offer flexible conduit, EMT tubes, conduit, and EMT accessories at industry-leading prices. Our aluminum lugs, pre-insulated terminals, and split bolt connectors are a class apart. For more information, log on at www.brassearthingaccessories.net.